In this video, I will be answering this question: what can I do to make money from home? Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified straight away as soon as I upload new content. Thank you very much. Let's get started. If you would like me to create any videos for you on any topics, tell me in the comments under the video. Did you know that around 3.9 million US employees work remotely? It's true. And for many, making money from home, even in their PJs, is their dream job. Why not accomplish your money goals by staying home and working when you want to? Here are some simple ways to make money at home and on your own schedule. If you've never worked from home, this could be a whole new money-making journey for you. You could even fall in love with your work from home routine, take it full-time, or only opt for online side hustles. Here are a few ways you can make money online from home. Number 1. Complete online surveys. Feedback can help companies fine-tune their products, services, and consumer interests. To gather information, businesses will pay people to answer survey questions online, making it a super convenient way to make money online from home. Websites like Swagbooks, Branded Surveys, MyPoints, and LifePoints offer paid surveys from various companies. In most cases, money earned is paid through PayPal or gift cards. By taking online surveys, you can earn anything from $5 to $35 per survey. Number 2. Sell your favorite stock images. Do you have an eye for photography? Side hustle your passion and earn passive income for your favorite pictures. You can post each photo on websites like iStock Photos, Dreamtime, Shutterstock, and Getty Images to earn royalties. Each purchased photo could earn you anywhere from 25 cents to 45 cents. If you post photos frequently, you could earn more as your online portfolio grows. You can earn 25 cents to 45 cents per image on most sites. The only equipment you need is a camera. Number 3. Become a virtual assistant. As online businesses grow, so do their needs for extra help. One trick to making money online is offering them your skills. Tasks could include uploading images to e-commerce sites, scheduling appointments, or making phone calls. As a virtual assistant, in most cases, these jobs pay $7 to $40 an hour, depending on the job you do and your skill level. As a virtual assistant, you can earn anything from $7 to $40 per hour. Number 4. Earn money off your reviews. In an increasingly digital world, reviews play an important role in a brand's success. For businesses to improve, they often ask for consumer feedback in exchange for cash. You can find companies that will pay you to try their product or service, or review purchases you've already made in exchange for discounts. For instance, Fabletics will give you extra bonus points, allowing you to build up to a paid credit for every review you make online. By providing reviews for brands, you can earn between $5 to $30 an hour. Number 5. Sell household items on eBay or Amazon. Selling unused items around the house is one of the surefire ways to make money at home. For example, you could have a couch or organizational bins that you don't use anymore and sell them. You can start by creating an account, take pictures of the things you don't want to keep, and post them on eBay or Amazon. List each item at a price that works best for you. The amount you earn will depend on the items that you sell. To get started selling items on eBay, all you need is a camera or phone. You can do this in a few hours per week. Number 6. Rent your gadgets by the hour. It's estimated that 2021 produced more than 57 million tons of electronic waste. To help counter this, you could make money from home by lending out gadgets you don't use while also helping the planet. Websites like Aaron's, Rent a Center, and Flex Shopper find users willing to rent out various items. All you have to do is fill out your profile, post your products for rent, and earn extra monthly revenue. You can earn anywhere up to $3,000 per month. Number 7. Enter data online. Data entry is a great job for those looking for a way of making money at home. Many companies need help adding files into databases. For example, a medical office may not have time to add their client documents into the database every day. To help out, you could get paid by the hour to add data to online platforms during your free time. The hourly wage varies, but in most cases it's between $10 and $30 an hour. You can typically earn between $10 to $30 an hour. So, the next thing to do, if you want help starting or growing your online business, click the link in the description box below the video now and go to our partner website, internetbusinessschool.co.uk, and you can have a look at all of the online training courses available. It is a fantastic resource which is going to help you and put you ahead of the competition. Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified straight away as soon as I upload new content. Thank you very much. And don't forget to connect on Facebook. I have put the Facebook page link in the description box below this video. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next video.